we're going to talk today about wide fan method. The wide fan method literally is just, it's how we began our business. It's how Michelle and I, back in 2015, 16, 17, towards, and also in the beginning of 18, that's how we bought every property. So we had set a goal to get enough rental property to offset or to replace Michelle's income, her take-home pay, so that when Reynolds went to public school, out of daycare, like we would lose that bill. And with that reduction in expenses, she could go and walk away from her W-2 job. And so we set a goal. We said we needed 35 rental units at $200 a door cash flow. So you just do all that math, and I'm not doing that right now, but we only knew one way of getting deals, and that was through the wide fan method. And it actually was more like the eyed fan, because I didn't even know what wholesalers were at the time until 2018. And so we were just getting deals, free leads, free sources of deal flow, and we were able to buy enough rentals or buy enough flips to buy enough rentals to quote retire. We didn't actually retire, of course, but we both left our day job in 2018. And so over the years of looking back and saying, well, how in the world did we do that? Because right now, I don't know about y'all, but it sounds like marketing is insane. You got to pay all this stuff. You got to do all this. You got to get the right color postcard, the big font or the small font. Don't put your phone number, just put your website. No, you have to have a phone number, not your website, right? Everybody says something different. But in the very beginning, we got all of those deals from no actual marketing on our behalf. So we have to find a property. We have to find a deal to do this. And so in order to do that, we have to, again, treat it like a business and use the wide fan method. So this is, again, just putting these out there, and we're going to go through all of these. But before we talk really about the tactics of it all, you just have to notice one thing about this, which is that all the successful investors around you, people you might see online or see in your life or see in your neighborhood, or you, right? There's one thing I would say that they all have in common, and it's that they are getting deals from multiple of these sources.
Hey guys, real quick, it's Andrew, and thanks for listening. I just want to give you a couple of tips. Go over to dealfindersclub.com/resources to get more information on the things that we're talking about today, some downloads and some links to some of our partners that can help you do your business better. And if you want to get connected and join us at some of our live events, check out the events page right there on dealfindersclub.com. And if you're ready to build, reach out through a message or chat with us through the website. You can find us there. And hey, as always, like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon.
It doesn't mean that they're going after all of these sources, but when you start getting successful, people notice, and these are the things that start coming to you.